What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the continuation of this Pandem Widebody install for the GR86. So we currently have so much to freaking do, you guys. I've been wandering around all day. I just got out of work not too long ago and I had to stop by a whole bunch of stores and get a whole bunch of stuff. So currently right now we are going through prepping everything for paint. So we got the body kit right here. Finally I got to show you guys the body kit because like I said, I wasn't able to do that before, and I know what you're thinking, why is it painted white? Well, there was a little bit of a mix-up with the kits at LTMW, so they dropped off the right kit. Everything's all pre-drilled and everything like that, so super happy about that. Should be easy to throw on, but I gotta scuff this up, and then I also got to install some of these, or just, you know, put together some of these, and they're basically gonna help us hold the parts while we paint, kind of like this. Here's a good example of that. Pretty cheap, 20 bucks, Harbor Freight, just in case. And then we gotta cover up the shop. For those of you who don't know, we are at AutoWorks SoCal. If you guys have been watching the channel for a while, you guys know that I have gotten my splitter here for the GR. I've also gotten my splitter for the Lexus here. So if some of you guys that have been asking me about my splitter and where I got it, this is the place I got it. If you guys want anything of the sort, wraps, underglow, custom splitter kit, this is the place you guys can come. If you guys are in the IE or close to the IE, definitely can come down and he'll get you guys right. Shout out to my boy Alex. Thank you so much for letting us use your shop so we can paint this kit. It's go time right now, you guys, because like I said, we're trying to get ready for Formula Drift, and that is next week on the 14th and 15th. Don't forget, you guys, make sure you guys put that in your calendar. Come out and see the car. I'm gonna be displaying the car at Toyota booth, so it's gonna be fun. And like I said, it's gonna be crunch time. We still haven't gotten the wheels yet, but I believe I was told that they're being finished right now currently. So yeah, the car is just in shambles currently right now. So we're still waiting for Timmy. Timmy's coming with the compressor and he's coming with a couple other things, so definitely just gotta start getting everything prepped for him so when he comes he could just I got everybody right here laughing at my gunshots. Let's go ahead and get started scuffing some of this stuff up and get the show on the road. The man, the myth, the legend, the dude that saved the fucking day, dude. Jesus.
Yes, sir.
This guy literally brought his fucking compressor from home so we can paint. So we could paint this, dude. If that ain't homie, I don't know what is, though. This is so crazy that Timmy literally brought this from home. Like, when I tell you guys, it's been like a mission for this. Like, it's been a mission. Like, Timmy has been like doing like a lot. So he went to go grab paint. He went to go home, borrow this truck. Then he went to go pick this compressor up, all along with getting the freaking paint. And right now we got it all set up in here. I got all of Alex's stuff covered over there. All of this is covered. We have all of this covered as well. I got all the parts ready, and I'm just finishing up this scuffing right here. Honestly, I gotta say, it's honestly kind of sad that I have to scuff this up a little bit, because honestly it looks really freaking nice. I think they did a really good job painting this, but this is not the color we need, so yeah. Thank you, Timmy. I can like tell this guy's just freaking tired already, you know? Sick and tired, I feel you, man. Sick and tired. We also need to mock up this side over here because currently I don't got my rivets in there. And so the other side has them. The other side has them in already, so that's all ready to go. And we might need the rubber ones down here. Definitely need to mock stuff up still, but it's a process, so we're almost there. Oh yeah, baby. This is a half gallon?
Yeah.
So we got a half gallon of Raven Black paint here. What is this, the adhesive promoter? We got some adhesive promoter so nothing gets cracked or peels up. And then we also got some reducer too. What's the reducer do?
It helps spray this cleaner.
Okay, so the reducer helps clean it up and give you a good spray when spraying the paint. The adhesive promoter is gonna help you out to like have no cracks and no peel up later on.
And clear.
Ooh, what is this? What kind of clear is this? You pull? Sheesh. These guys were sending me clips and photos of them clearing Sen's hood, and apparently it works phenomenal. So definitely I'm excited for that. We're gonna finish this up and start spraying it. So go ahead and time lapse this really quick. Friends for.
Free labor.
Yeah, everyone's got a par right now. This is crazy. Yeah, except I'm not paying none of you. I definitely can buy everybody food if you're hungry. Oh, man, this is super dope. This is crazy. You guys are good, right? I'll be back in a couple hours. Alright, you guys, quick update. We're literally about to get ready to start.
Did you get it on camera?
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. I did get it on camera. That's crazy.
I'll hold it for you. That's okay.
Yeah, it looks alright.
It's getting painted anyway.
Yeah.
Imagine that happened after you painted it.
After I painted it? Fuck. Oh, after Timmy painted it, I mean?
Yeah.
Oh, you're good. Just rescuff it.
Resand?
Yeah, basically. Timmy and my boy Alex came up with this because we couldn't find anything to hang the wing. So we just kind of, you know, MacGyver Mickey Moused it. We're about to spray everything right now and have it sit overnight. I'm so excited. Timmy said he's gonna let me spray one of these, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I just don't want to mess up. But I do need to learn, so big shout out to my guy right here. If it wasn't for this guy, well, I really don't think any of this would be happening. So shout out to you, Timmy. Thank you so much, bro. Yeah. Seriously, you guys have no idea like this guy's position in like this build, and that's just me being super sincere and just wanted to kind of give credit where it's due. Honestly, everybody helped me out today, and I was like really thankful for that. So, you know, it's nice to have like good friends around you. So right now, Timmy is putting on the Bulldog adhesive promoter, you guys, so that way it doesn't crack, it doesn't peel up once you are done spraying and everything like that. It's just like extra reassurance, if anything, you know? Masked up. We're all masked up, baby. It's go time. You guys ready? Finally finished painting, put on that clear coat, and look at that. Woo, sheesh. This clear that Timmy is using right now, super freaking good. It's not no House of Blue clear or anything like that, but it's definitely a lot better. Look at that. Woo. Okay, I know you guys can't see, but let me turn on my light. Maybe you guys can see the little flakes that's in it. Oh my gosh, that's so freaking good. So we're gonna let everything dry right now, and tomorrow we'll probably start installing everything, and then after that all we got to worry about is wheels and tires, and we'll be ready for Formula Drift. So definitely excited to get this on the car tomorrow once it all is cured and dried up and everything. But big shout out to my boy Timmy, because he didn't have to do what he did today. Like I said, he brought his freaking compressor here, his freaking guns. He had to borrow a truck just to freaking bring everything over here. So Big shout out to my dude. Thank you so much, man. If it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be here. If it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be here, dog. Alright guys, so that is it for this episode. Stay tuned for the next one. We're gonna be installing, putting it all together, and I'm super excited for you guys to see what the end goal has been. I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna get the gist if you guys have seen the Cusco. But anyways, I'm gonna call it a night. We're all tired. We've been working pretty long and hard at this, mainly to me, if anything. But big shout out to all these cats. Thank you for your help. That being said, make sure you guys live long and prosper. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.
So guys, welcome back to another YouTube channel.